A Chicago law firm will be representing the family of the Minnesota woman who was shot and killed by a federal officer last week.
Romanucci and Blandin has confirmed they're going to now handle that case. Our Charlie Wojciechowski checked in with the firm this afternoon on how they plan to represent Renee Good. Now, Charlie, not the first time that they have handled a case in the city of Minneapolis.
No, it's not. This is the same firm that represented, along with Ben Crump, the family of George Floyd, whose death at the hands of police sparked nationwide protests. Some of those same kinds of protests have been underway in the Twin Cities for the past week, as federal agents continue the enforcement action they call Metro Surge. Crowds have followed them, invoking the name of Renee Nicole Macklin Good. The 37-year-old mother of three was killed January 7th during a confrontation with federal agent Jonathan Ross. The killing repeatedly called justified by DHS Secretary Kristi Noem and the Trump administration, but criticized by Minneapolis' mayor and the state's governor, sending tens of thousands of people into the streets. Be good. That is the clear message from her family as Renee's wish to the world, attorney Antonio Romanucci said in a statement. His firm, Romanucci and Blandin, now represents Good's partner, Becca Good, her parents, Tim and Donna Ganger, and her siblings.
We thought would be that moment in history when things would change.
Romanucci represented the family of George Floyd and won a $27 million lawsuit for that family in 2021.
5 years later, I think we've seen that maybe the progress that we thought we were making, had we not just made all the progress that we thought, is now maybe slipping away.
Good's family say they have retained Romanucci's Chicago-based firm to not only seek accountability for her death, but also to honor her life with progress toward a kinder and more civil America. They do not want her used as a political pawn, a statement says, but rather as an agent of peace for all. The legal process in Minnesota, Romanucci said, will not be straightforward because law enforcement officers are shielded by various forms of immunity. Also, the cases are usually argued in front of a federal judge instead of local or state authorities. This process will not deter us in any way from fervently pursuing justice on behalf of Renee Good, Romanucci said. Tonight, Good's family, who called her Nene, also released a statement saying she was our best friend with a seemingly infinite capacity for love. Nene gave everything she had to take care of her friends and family, and indeed, people she never met. Tonight, the family is thanking the people who have supported them and their daughter since her death. They're also asking for privacy as they continue to mourn. At least 6 federal prosecutors in Minnesota have resigned over problems they see with the course of the Justice Department's investigation. Alex Marion, back to you.
Thank you, Charlie.